Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show we have some bike lights. Do you like riding your bike?
Yeah.
And during the evening when he's riding his bike, he kind of wished that he had some lights on his bike for safety and also to light up the bike path. So today's show, we're talking about a cool bike light. We're going to be talking all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's do a quick unboxing of this cool new LED bike light set.
Hold on.
Look at this. This is super cool. It is rechargeable by a USB cord, so it comes with two USB cables. And the light itself has two colors. You have a red one.
The red one goes in back, the white one goes in the front.
Exactly. You're going to put this red one in the back of your bike and the white one in the front. That way people can tell what direction you're going at night. So here are the cool lights. You can see that this has a clip on it. So right here it is off. If I do that, it is bright, a little bit dimmer, flashing,
Let's see the white one.
a slow...
Whoa, this is so
flash.
bright. I'm not going to look at this one. It's too bright.
And it comes with these cool straps that you can put right here. Battery life right here kind of tells you at full brightness it is 2.5 hours. Half brightness it is about 9 or 10 hours. The slow flashing mode is about 10 hours, and the fast flashing mode stays on for about 9 to 10 hours with a charge. Ready to go and put these on your bike, Lucas?
Yeah.
All right, let's go do it. Playtime. Going bike riding with my son and daughter, I just had a peace of mind knowing it can be seen by other bicycles or vehicles with these lights. I mean, even with my son, riding off into the distance there, a long ways, he can be easily seen. This is such a great safety feature on any bicycle. And with the red light in the back and the white light in the front, it's awesome to know that, just in case they can be, easily seen by a vehicle that might be driving by. Another great feature of this is it's rechargeable, and just so little but very powerful and easy to attach to the bike. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. These are super cool LED bike lights. They are made for safety. They are super tough. They're from a company that has great customer support. I will have a link down below where you can find these on Amazon. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.